In this video, I will be disassembling this 2018 Tesla Model 3 inner trunk LED taillight. Here's the part number on the light. There's no glue holding the lens to the body. It appears that the lens is directly welded to the body. I will be cutting off the rest of the lens. I've cut the lens from the light. I will begin by removing the 3 T20 screws from the rear of the light. With the 3 screws removed, we can pull the whole unit forward. I will disconnect the wire harness. Here we can see that the circuit board is plastic welded into place. It is not held in with screws. I will break the tabs and remove them. The housing is now empty. There are no screws holding this unit together. It is fully plastic welded together. I will start breaking all of the welds to separate all of the components. Next, I'll start by removing this outer trim cover. With the trim cover removed, we can pull out the LED board. The light is now fully disassembled. Here's the controller board. Here are the reverse light LEDs. Here's the outer running light LEDs. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.